Tinuruan mo, tapos umalis din. Tinuring mong parang pamilya. Tinuruan mo ng lahat-lahat ng alam mo. Pinagtuunan mo ng oras at pasensya. Knowledge you spent years building. Then one day, nagpaalam siya. And sometime later, much to your surprise, your former employee now is your new competitor. Anak, after more than 4 decades in business, I feel you. Kasi hindi ito basta business problem lang. It feels like you were stabbed by the very person you trusted. Tama? Have you ever poured everything into an employee? Your time, your knowledge, your full trust, and only to watch them leave and open a business just like yours? Have you noticed that the best people you train are usually the first ones to walk out the door? Or have you ever seen a former employee selling the exact same product or service to the same customers in the same area? If any of that sounds familiar, you are not alone. A business owner reached out to me recently and said, Mami En, pagod na ako from hiring and training people. The moment na gumaling na sila, maalis sila, and nagbubukas sila ng sariling negosyo. Ano ba ang mali ko, Mami En? So, there are 5 realities every business owner needs to understand about this. First, tinuruan mo sila ng lahat but you never thought to protect the knowledge that you were sharing with them. Second, the trust that you gave them, naging tulay yon para magkaroon ng lakas ng loob to start their own business. Third, they saw an opportunity outside. At nang tumingin sila sa trabaho nila, wala silang makitang dahilan para magstay. Fourth, kasi there was no structure in your business that made your best people feel na may future ako dito. And fifth, when there are no systems in place, everything they learned from you, dala-dala nila sa araw ng pag-alis nila. So let's be business-minded, Pinoy. Still doing everything yourself because you just can't trust anybody else to get it right? Anak, ang problema hindi yung team mo. It's that no one ever showed you how to grow them. Grow Your People Pinoy is a book that gives you a simple step-by-step framework for hiring, training, and leading a team that actually works without the burnout, the drama, or the endless, sige na, ako na lang. Because your business will only grow as much as your people do. Kaya get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.